Welcome to Practice Paint today, and I am going to come in here with a little bit of floating medium. I've drawn a little chick, so you can screenshot the last picture of the chick, and what you can do from there is trace it out. I'm going to put the shadow for where the duck's going to be painted onto the water. So I use floating medium and a little bit of yellow. And I'm going to come in here with a 16 flat, and I'm going to take some floating medium and just get a little bit of raw umber. And I'm going to come around here. And this is art paper. So I do a lot of this so you could put a mat on it, put it in a frame if you want, or this would be cute for a greeting card. You can do a little smaller than I'm doing it. Or you can get cute little frames. I love getting Dollar Tree little frames. There's some with little half beads on them, wooden ones, which make it really cute little setting. See, that's the reflection. And that was just a 16 with a little bit of flat. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a baby rake and I'm going to go in here and put some of the yellows. We're using multi-surface paints, and I picked up some moon yellow and some daffodil. See right there? Okay, if you don't have a rake brush, use a 6 and a 2. See how I'm getting these little wild little hairs? These are the kind for Dawn dish soap, that power wash. It's a cute little commercial. My husband loves the little ducks. And I thought with Easter coming, this is kind of fun. I want to take it around the eye a little bit and right under the beak a little bit. And that's just daffodil right now. But what I'm going to do is put a little bit of white. So we just grab a little bit of white. A little bit. And you have a few little wild hairs here. And I do a lot of those kind of funky looking birds, which look cute. So I thought I'd do the duck the same way. Ducklings, how do you say them? With my bad voice. Okay, so I can come right in here. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of daffodil in here. I'm gonna bring some of that darker asphaltum in here. Okay, and I'm gonna just put the yellow, then we can put the asphaltum on it. So as we come down here, push down and pull. I love doing practice strokes with something that you're not used to. So I can just sit here and show you, and you can practice on pieces of art paper or cardstock. See how I'm building it? For under the neck, it's going to come like it's underneath here. Okay, and then I put a little bit up here. So this is moon yellow here. And then I will put a little bit of yellow ochre down here on the bottom, because that's where the shadows would be. And then we'll put some browns. Right. And a little bit of yellow ochre in here. All right. So now I'm going to come around here, the asphalt. Oops, there it is. So I get some medium and I work that in. I don't clean the brush from the um, um, yellow. I can wipe it on a paper towel. And I'm going to come right through here. Just get on the chisel of the brush. Okay. A little bit more. Across here, a little bit of feathering. Kind of wild up there a little bit. All right. We can soften it a little bit here. And then we'll get a little bit more. And I can pick up a little bit of yellow ochre to soften this. But I could use a little bit of white. Okay. A little bit of white. Got a little bit of white there. A little bit in here. See how I'm shading that a little bit? And then I'll come back and put some dark in there. And we'll put a little bit back here. Okay, now let's get some dark. And we'll get some raw umber dark in here. Right, and a little bit of that dark umber. It's raw umber in there. And a little bit up here. All right. Now you just want it wild and kind of feathery. So I can come in here and put a little bit of glow of the white over here. Remember, you can use a 6 flat and be on the chisel when you're doing this. And we can put a little bit in here. Teeny bit of white. And I'm going to take a little bit of brown asphaltum and bring it from the eye here. Okay, a few little asphaltum was white. See, just little tiny wisp of feathers. Get a little bit in here. See, kind of wispy. A little bit of white in here. He's kind of cute. All right. So then I'm going to take the handle of my small brush into licorice. I'm going to come right there. There. We'll put a little highlight on that. But now I'm going to take this 6 flat and we're going to put the beak in here. So it comes right up the front a little bit and down. It's coming across. And then put some asphaltum because I like that color a lot. All right. And then I'll put a teeny bit of glow on that. Just a little bit of glow. Thank you. And I can take our little wipe away tool. Looks like a kiss, candy kiss. And I'm going to put a dot in there. And right in here is a little nasal thing. So nostrils so you can breathe. Be kind of cute. I just want you to be rustic a little bit with them. And then all we do is go in here. That's how you get the water fill. All right. So maybe you could do a few of these doing different things for a little Easter. And you guys have fun with it, all right? All right. It has a little bit of brown right in here. Okay, there we go. Hope you enjoy. Please share what you do on our Facebook group. And please subscribe. We'd love to have you join our membership too, right here on YouTube channel. Thank you.